There's no life without trees. They generate and clean the air we breathe, provide shelter for wildlife, and feed us. But we have to protect these fragile beings from quite a few dangers out there. We all love bunnies like these, but when their wild cousins start destroying our young trees, they're not that cute anymore. After planting, trees need protection from girdling animals, especially in grassy areas where small mammal population is high. However, the elements mean just as much of a threat to our young trees. Trees with thick, dark and smooth bark such as cherry, apple, linden, maple and ash trees, among others, are particularly sensitive to temperature fluctuations. During wintertime, under the sunlight, the boles under the dark bark are warmed up and become active. When the sun disappears, the sap flowing in the trunk's vascular tissues freezes and breaks the walls, causing the bark to crack, which then becomes a potential for infection. Tracks is your solution. Tree guards are a very innovative alternative for protecting young tree trunks from animals and the elements. A tree protector, also called plastic mesh guards or tree guards, are devices installed around the tree trunk to protect them against predators and the elements. It's flexible enough to expand as the trunk diameter increases. Intimus White Track's reflective color will reflect the light, preventing the trunk from heating up, while the spiral wrapping will keep the animals at bay too. Why Trax is better than other methods? Because there's no need for maintenance, no need for staking, no need for staples, no need for fastening after installation. It can be easily moved from one tree to another when no longer needed. Its price is a fragment of that of a young tree. And the raw material can be recycled after attrition. Research has noted that trees grown in tree protectors with ventilation holes exhibited increased diameters compared to trees grown in tree protectors without ventilation holes. Tree protectors also promote chlorophyll retention. The effective use of Trax tree protector will prevent small animals from browsing and may reduce the mortality rate from 34.6% or more to 3.2% or less. This is very important in the citrus, horticultural and plant nursery industry, and in particular during the growing cycle and transportation. Additionally, it avoids the formation of lateral branches along the trunk and induces the formation of a single leader. This is particularly important in the citrus and horticultural industries. And yes, let's not forget that white tracks will replace the need for painting the tree trunks every year, saving you time and a ton of money. We are proud to say we know what we are talking about. Intimus has more than 25 years of experience in the production and development of tree trunk protectors. It was founded in 1957 and is #1 in the production of extruded nets worldwide. Trax is a bestseller due to its effectiveness, practicality and cost effectiveness. Trax will protect your investment and give you a peace of mind. Trax is the ideal solution for your trees too.